Hello, today I talk about SCADA software integration. Integration 8.3. This is a very new version, just come out. Yeah, in the website, it's the integration 8.3. Isn't just a step forward, it's a new starting point. It's very new and completely different than the old one. Okay, let's start. I don't know already. Let's start and install this software. Okay, we start. Get wait. Okay, standard edition we choose. Yes. Use admission here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Quick start. Talk me. Okay. Here. Explore the equation. Okay. We can get design launch. Load. We can install. Okay. Open. Yeah, password. Not me. Yeah, create a new one. Test. Yeah, create new one. Yeah, this interface screen is not different. Yeah, all of the similar. Okay, that. Okay, but here is completely different. Okay, here home, here design, I'll go to here, connection, device, setting, okay, connection, yeah, this is, we can choose all of this one, similar to this one, okay, TCP driver, and then Brindley, all this similar. OPC, you can see OPC UA, here OPC UA. Okay, connection. Here we add address. Yeah, in here all the similar, but need to get with the interface I need to different. Show you. Okay. It's just one PC in here. Open better dashboard. Here, OPC UA, OPC class, OPC DA, here and connection. I choose here. Yeah, this one to big, small, okay. Here, create, OPC, okay. Next, yes, OPCDA name, yeah. Description, all the similar, okay. Oh, here, OPC UA. Next, it's endpoint URL, all similar, okay. Yeah, today I just show you is very new version iteration 8.3 install and setup. Okay, thank you very much.